Some of y'all, it's been a long time since y'all seen me, so I'm gonna stay my hand in. To my second mother, who has been there for me in times when she didn't have to, times where I needed advice, she was there for me. Always included me in whatever she had going on, whether it was when she was in Germany, or she was in Georgia, and wherever she went, I was there at least one time. So I think I blame me being in the Army on you sometimes, because I was around you a lot, so I got used to it. To Chelsea, my little sister, you're a bundle of joy, and I would be a proud parent if you were my child. So you guys have a gift that you have to take care of. You guys are doing a good job. Okay. To Deacon Johnson. I've been calling you that since I was probably about 5. So now it's an honor for me to say, Uncle Jesse. I've never done this before, so we're gonna make 2 little toasts. Okay, one for the love that you guys share. Everybody raise your glass. To the bride and groom for the love that they share. Take a seat. All right. And last but not least, for being great examples, okay, and leaders in your own way, and being that figure or that person to look up to that I've had since I've been a little baby. I appreciate it. I love you for it. And if you need anything, you know where I'm at. Right on. Well, now that that's out